there's no AC units.
Wow. It is a walk-in pantry. What? Who makes these decisions again? Would you look at this? Now I'm super jealous. I can't believe the storage in this RV. Oh my God, look at the storage on this.
Bringing back memories. It got the Columbus River Ranch. It looks like it needs a third axle. This thing is huge.
It's huge.
Not the way it's built though. It's built, it's got 6 point, got a huge basement. Those are all open if you want to look at them.
This is roomy.
Well, you can see what you give up for all that storage underneath. I can touch the ceiling, and the last Columbus we were in, you could not do that. So I guess for this, maybe not. It's roomy wide, but yeah, that height is not there.
Is that an outlet?
Yeah, I really like how they've done more counter space in here. But like I suggested in prior videos and tours, they need to put the sink on one side so you have more counter space to do prep work. But this is a cool little feature right here. This pulls up and it's an outlet on this side, right here. Right there. There's another one down here as well. And there's another one right here.
Gosh, tell me they put a dishwasher in here. That would be cool.
Nope. In wide gray and brown. What are they doing? What are they doing here? Interesting sink. It has like another panel down here. Some kind of drain pan, I guess, for when you're boondocking.
Wow. But all the seating here, look at this.
Wow. Would you look at that pantry? It is a walk-in pantry with room to spare.
It's got a hallway.
Wow. I mean, there's a place that you could put shoes. Get out of here.
Something tells me it's gonna be a nice bathroom.
Look at this bathroom.
Look at, there's drawers, there's storage, there's more storage, there's counter space. Oh wait, storage, storage.
A whole nother little counter. But look at the room around these sinks.
Seriously.
Look at that.
Oh God, look at the colors.
Yeah. Well, they've got grays and golds going on. It's just, what? Who makes these decisions again? At least there's like a little side table here with some storage.
Oh.
This is a hideaway TV. Fireplace in the bedroom.
Yeah, that's definitely a cool thing.
Washer dryer.
Hookup or extra closet.
Extra closet. Some hidden storage behind clothing where you would hang clothing. You can access the storage right here in case you want to keep something else there.
Look at this. A ceiling fan in the bedroom.
It's really bright in here with all the windows. In our last Columbus, we didn't have windows on this side except for this back part right here. Here there's like windows all around. And the color scheme is a lot lighter.
And the other thing that was different with our Columbus is it had a lot of dark wood. The finish on the outside here is white, very light, contemporary.
I do like how they're making things more light and bright, but the color scheme's still very questionable. You've got browns here and then grays. Like, they need to stick with colors that are more consistent and work together. Even the bedroom was like gold and grays. It just doesn't work. But it does look a lot better having the lighter colors. I do like that. Here's a different color right here. We got a different color here, than here, than here. Yeah, I guess this is here for safety reasons. In case you have kids or pets, that this would lock like this. So, and then that folds in out of the way. When I saw it online, I thought it was a spiral staircase, but it actually just kind of curves a little.
Funny.
Well, let's check out the storage. Oh my gosh! Would you look at this?
Oh yeah.
All the way through.
Oh my gosh!
So it's like a Class A.
Yep.
Whoa! The storage is insane! Can't we just like take the storage off of this and put it on ours? Now I'm super jealous. Oh wow. It's like a whole level that's available for storage.
Or you can put the guests in there.
Yeah, put the guest bed in there. These are long, big slides.
4 slides. Yeah, crazy.
And we noticed an improvement that Columbus did here is putting the spare tire up forward there, but it still looks really low to the ground. I mean, there's only, what, 6 or 8 inches there? I still feel like that is gonna make a connection if you look at that. And this storage all the way through the underneath is all heated. And one thing we noticed by looking at the top of this RV is there's no AC units on the top. They've actually put a 2-ton AC unit down in the basement. It's freed up this space to go taller here without the ductwork in the top. So they've made so many interesting improvements. It's really complete change over what Columbus used to be and has blown a lot of other RVs out of the water. So what do you think? Trading the momentum for this? From momentum to Columbus? No wait, Columbus to momentum back to Columbus?
Can we just take the storage off of this one and put it on our momentum?
There you go.
You can really feel the space when you walk through the hallway. The width of it is so much wider than any other RV I've been in. Look how much space there is. You could actually do a shoe rack here. You could actually do like the little closet built in right here for coats, umbrellas, that kind of thing. There's just a lot more space here. We're always struggling to find space to even put some shoes, a pair of shoes, so pretty cool.
My final conclusion of looking at this RV is I love what they've done with it. Many, many improvements. I think the interior design and the look of all of the colors and everything, it still needs some work there. That gets dialed in. I'd say Columbus has a real go at being one of the top luxury RVs out there again.
The stars.